Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu reports that when the goods from Bahrain reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Spread them in the mosque." It was the biggest amount of wealth which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had ever got. Then Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu visited him and said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, grant me the wealth, for I have to give the ransom for myself and Aqil." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Take it." He stuffed too much wealth into his garment to carry it. He submitted, "Ask someone to help me in the carrying it." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No." He submitted, "Then you may yourself please help me in lifting it." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No." So he lightened it, but still could not lift it. Then he again requested, "Order someone to help me in lifting it." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No." He again requested, "Then you may yourself please help me in lifting it." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No." Thereafter he lightened it more till he carried the remaining on his shoulders and went away. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got astonished at his avidity. So the glance of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam followed him till he went out of our sight. In short, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept sitting there till even a single dirham was not left. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3165.